Hi guys, I hope you are all doing well. In this tutorial video, I'll show you how to get this type of effect. So let's start now. So first of all, I selected the text option and here I write TK Techno Kit. So keep it low, write this. So you can select any type of font and let's assume this one or you can select this one. So for now I'm selecting the absolute empire. So if you want to keep that characters a bit closer to each other, and just move to the characters option and just you can increase or decrease the distance between the letters alphabets. So here this is our text. So now what we have to do is to select this libraries option and move to the appearance. After this, now you can see down there is a new stroke option. Just click on that and just drag it below the fill option. Now give it a color red and increase the stroke to the point where you think that it's okay. Now again select a new stroke, give it a color white and increase the stroke. So this is how you can get this type of effect. So do such experiment, keep on practicing new things, and this is just one effect. You can do number of effects in a single logo to make it more unique, more interesting, and a bit more professional look. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Bye.